Alright, now we're going to start our little tour of Ireland. And we're going to do the Christmas lights for that part of the park. Unfortunately, the train was not running station to station. It's only caribou to caribou, so boo-hoo. So here's Ireland. And there's Tammy. No Finnegan's flight.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey, that guy looks familiar. I don't know why. I think I've seen him on a YouTube video. Alright. You ordered Ireland. It's a lucky charm sort of fella, you know.
What?
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 Stone Cold.
What?
What?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty good. That's a beautiful Christmas tree. Wow, I gotta take a picture of that. Hang on. Man, I've already look at this here Christmas tree. I'm gonna leave heart for Anna Maria.
Little one, Santa Maria.
Yeah, I just said that. Hey. Look at there, ain't that pretty? Dave and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alrighty.
Speak quick. Speak quick, speak quick.
That smells popcorn. Ooh, I did not see those little Christmas trees. Everybody's getting that hot chocolate and popcorn, trying to stay warm. Do not blame me. Ladies and gentlemen, it feels like the North Pole has come to Williamsburg, Virginia. Alrighty.
Good job, it's in right here. You wanna go eat with Santa?
There's another fan pit. Trying to stay warm.
This bothers me. Hey, we made it. There it is, comes in front of us. They have bands on their
Oh, gracious, there's a few eagles. Okay. I saw him.
We have pictures. I could show you. It's like amazing. You know what I mean?
Or ask me what the next song
If you're in the show, like you're not like if the lights are around you, so I'm not just like walking and looking.
Yep, sure.
It's funny.
I think Old Busch Gardens does a pretty good job with the Christmas lights. Nice and organized, nice and neat. It's crisp. As this night here we're walking through.
Bears, man, I'm telling you, bears are back there. Like, it's nuisance, or nuisance. You know what I'm saying?
I got some guys walking by talking about a bears or a nuisance. Only if you bother them. Alrighty. That's going to conclude Ireland. We'll be going into France shortly. All the green will be gone. See you then.